Good morning, everyone. And I'm Pam. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yesterday I was doing a class and I didn't know that so many people didn't know this little trick. And so it got me thinking, well, I've showed it plenty of times, but let me show it again. Okay, so you have a product and you want to add to it from another product. Okay. So let's when we say product, let's go project in Canva. Here I have a Halloween planner. All right. Well, I want to add a calendar that I know I have in another project. I'm going to go over here to projects and I'm just going to type in monthly because I know it's there. It'll pop up. Okay, just give me a second and I'll find it. Here we go. What I'm going to do is I want to add this calendar page to this project over here. I'm going to add a page, and you see that it has the purple outline and all that. So then I'm going to come over here. I don't want to embed all of this. I just want to get my calendar. This way they can just put in, um, I like this month of calendar. That way it's not dated. And because I could easily just put an October calendar in here, right? But maybe they want to use it for September, maybe they want to use it for whatever. But for sake of this video, that I just wanted a calendar in here. Now, obviously, the calendar has different colors than my other pages in here. So I'm going to come up here and now I can customize it to this planner. And we're going to do that. We're going to change all that to that. And then these green, let's change to like a light gray. Would that work? Yeah. And then we're going to change all those. And then we have to just do these separate, which is perfectly fine. That now is easily with the rest of this. Perfect. That's how you do it. You just go to projects, grab, see here, like if I wanted to grab something from here, I could easily just add a page. And let's see here what, like I could do right here, something like that, and then probably take out the background, change the fonts and all that. But that's how easy it is. You just open up the one project on one side and then make sure you add a page, because if you don't add a page, it will rewrite the other one. So make sure you do that. And that's how you can